Hi there, and greetings from Hellerbar in Frankfurt. Well, the summer is almost over, but it has returned with fantastic weather, and not just in terms of the sun shining, but also in terms of bonds coming back to the market. So, what's happening in our favorite area, covered bonds? Matze.
So, if you have a look at the chart, you can see the red line. We were on disappointing issuance volume overall in the market this year, saying that after the summer break, issuance volume have picked up and we are now on a level around 62 billion euros at the moment.
So does it mean we're going to be surpassing the projections from the beginning of the year or just fulfilling them?
I would say a little bit surpassing, but to be honest, the forecast was on a very low, disappointing level.
All right, but as I say in Germany, eine Schwalbe macht noch keinen Sommer, meaning is this already a shift in the market or is it just a flash in the pan?
I would say at the moment it's just a flash in the pan, saying that maybe we get a little bit of pre-funding from 22. So that would mean more issuance volume picking up in autumn. If you have a look at the seasonality, you see that normally not much more is to expect it, saying that from where we are now at the moment, I would say around 80 billion could be possible in issuance volume this year. That would be slightly below levels that we have seen last year.
And what about preferred tenors? I think we have advised most issuers to go for the intermediate part of the curve, but we have seen after a lot of 7 years, all of a sudden also some ultra long deals coming out. So why is that?
You're right. Overall, you can see that the favorite tenor this year is the 7 to 10 year bucket. But the small black box represent the issuance activity we have seen so far the last 5 days in the 20-year bucket, where we have seen 2 Dutch issuers being active.
Just 2 Dutch issuers. But well, Dutch have been famous for doing long-term stuff, as did some of the French, but that's pretty much it. So do we expect more long-term issuance to come?
Yeah, to be frank, as we have seen increase in swap yields, especially at the long end of the curve, there is a high possibility that we get increasing real money investor demand at this tenor, 10 years and above. So I would say maybe it's a good opportunity at the moment to think about the long end of the curve at the moment.
So good news for all these Austrians who did longer term deals a while ago and now came back with shorter terms. Maybe long-term tenors are now a good idea to get those insurance funds and the classical real money. I take it real money is back in the market, right?
At least is the point we can discuss. But to be frank, the 7 to 10 year bucket was a favorite bucket for banks, treasury especially. So we have seen after the summer break huge demand from them.
All right. And does that mean we can survive now without the central bank?
We can always survive.
We did always survive without the central bank.
We did and we will.
Yes. I don't throw the rule book at you. No, point is, we heard a lot about tapering and stuff, so I think we're in good shape to get this market going once the ECB is slowly getting out, right?
Absolutely. We don't need you guys. Sorry to say that.
Well, that was, of course, directed at the central bank, not at investors out there. So I think we've reached the end of our time. This was just a brief update. Enjoy the summer. Get your booster shots. We did that both, so that's why we're not wearing masks. And the market seems to enjoy a little booster as well. So take part of it. Buy your bonds from us. Take care. Have a good time. And stay healthy.